get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Because my type.
Cute little date. Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are gladly taking you guys along with us to celebrate our 6-year anniversary. We decided to do some cute arts and crafts in this cute location. I will locate it down below. It is located in Orlando, and we decided to get the private room to get the full experience.
So this is alcohol, and then there's non-alcoholic on the other side. Okay. And then you guys also get a choice of 2 little canvases or 1 big one.
One big one.
One big one.
Everywhere you put the tape is where the paint's not going to go. So if you can see on a little example wall, a lot of people do a lot of things.
Yes. I kind of want to do the word. Like we could do like something cool. Happy anniversary, baby. We're gonna put our outfit on soon, and then we're gonna go in here, and then yes, and we're just going to, it's gonna be a lit situation. Yours definitely really good because you barely put any
feeling it and that shit, everything starts sounding good because this shit hit right now.
What I also love about this location, that the private room is a must, you guys. It is so sweet. You also get the cutlery board, the meat and cheese, the bottomless mimosa. So as you guys can see, it was kind of like taking that back a little bit. And then we just got dressed after we started making our design for our board. We start putting on our clothes and getting ready for this fun painting activity, because you don't want to get dirty. You don't want to get down on your shoes and your hair or nothing like that.
The next time y'all see this, it's gonna have some beautiful artwork made by yours truly.
So you can do the glow in the dark splatter painting, which we did for a while. It was so much fun. We were just picking colors. We were just like, I think this is color, I think this is color, and we were just like throwing it, splatting it. We was even throwing it on each other for a while. It was so much fun. Or you could just turn on the lights and then go at it from there. guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of me and Bae's 6-year anniversary. I can't believe it's been 6 years already. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?